Good morning to all the children and parents. This assignment is for class 2 for the subject of GK being submitted to you on 26th April 2021. Children, today we are going to learn about seasons, that is on page number 9 of your GK Studio 2 book, and forces of nature on page number 25. So let us start with seasons. So children, open page number 9 of your GK Studio 2 book. Children, this is page number 9 of your GK book. Seasons. A season is a long period of time during a year. A season remains the same for 2 or more months. Now look at the pictures carefully and write below each the name of season it indicates and the month during which it occurs. Now, can you tell me which season is it? Yes, it is spring. So let us write the name of the season on the top. SPRING. This is spring season. And which season is this? You can see dry leaves. Autumn. So AUTUM and N. This is autumn season, and this is rainy season. You can see rain and the child with umbrella. RAINY. Rainy. And there are two more. Which season is this? You wear woolen clothes in this season. Winter. WINTER. And you can see a snowman also. And this you all know it. Summer. Children are enjoying ice cream and cold drink. And we wear SUMMER. This is the summer season. Now let us see the months during which it occurs. Now spring season occurs in February, March and April. Now write their spellings. FEBRUARY, February. March, MARCH, and April, APRIL. And autumn, it comes in September. You all know the spellings we have already done in class 1. October and November. NOVEMBER. And rainy season comes in July and August. So write the name July, August, August, and winter in December and January. December, and the second month is January, January, and summers in May and June, May and June, June. Now children, you will learn the spellings of the months and of names of the season also. Now open page number 25. Forces of nature. What do you mean by forces of nature? Children, the powerful aspects of nature and the weather. For example, wind, snowfall, lightning, etc. These are the forces of nature. So let us do an exercise on forces of nature. Choose the right words for the following from the clue box. See, the clue box is given here in the bottom of the page. So we are going to fill these words in the blanks. Little ball of ice which fall with rain. You must have seen white small balls. What are they called? Hailstones. 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 Number 2. Little drops of water found on leaves and flowers. What are they? Dew. D-E-W. Number 3. A flash of light in the sky during rain and storm. What is it? Lightning. 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 Thick cloud of tiny drops of water close to or just above the land. What is it? Fog. F-O-G. Snow dust falling from the sky. Snowfall. S-N-O-W. Snow. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. A band of 7 colors on the horizon during the rain. What is it? Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Children, rain gauge is an instrument which measures the amount of rainfall. Children, as we have done the exercise in the GK book, now you will do these exercises in the GK notebook. You will write the name of the seasons. You can take help from the given clue. You are going to fill these blanks. And second question is tick the correct answer. I hope you can do it. You will get the answers on Thursday. Thank you.